Hello and welcome to this short video walking you through the easy setup process of McMinnville, a multi-purpose child theme for Divi, one of our latest here at MontereyPremiere.com. So this is a basic walkthrough. We're going to get started. You should have already received your download package. In your download package, you will find several files which we will be importing, including the actual child theme. So we're working off a clean slate right now. Basic WordPress installation using 2015 as the base theme, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Now I'm working off of the instruction manual that would have come with your download package. In the instruction manual you'll see all the files that should be included, and including the plugins that we recommend. We recommend downloading and installing the free Caldera Forms plugin if you want the custom contact form that we created for you and styled for you that's included in this child theme. You just have to install the plugin and follow a couple steps which we'll follow later on. And the Customizer Import Export plugin. This is what allows us to easily import the customizer settings, saving you from having to go through each setting and adjusting it yourself. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1, install Divi. Hopefully you've already downloaded the latest version of Divi. We'll go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, choose File, go to wherever you downloaded the latest version of Divi, Install Now, and this should take a few seconds. Once that has installed, we'll go ahead and return to the Themes page and install our child theme. So go Upload Theme, choose File, go to your download package and select the zipped file. Install now. And this one we will activate. This will be our lead theme. The next step is to import the page templates. To do that, we scroll down to Tools, Import, and then we will choose the WordPress importer. Select Install Now. Don't worry, we'll be able to delete this as soon as this is done. Go ahead and activate the plugin. And now we'll get the option to choose our file. It's just going to be the pagelayouts.xml file. Double click on that. Select Upload File and Import. It will give us the option to change author name from my name to whatever name you have here as your username. In this case it's my name again, but here would have your username. Then you tick this box and select Submit. And this process here usually does take about 10-15 seconds, not too long, depending on the speed of your server and internet connection. Just take a few seconds here. Probably the longest process of the whole setup. There we go, all done. As it says, have fun, and we will. Okay, let's set up this home page now. So we're going to go ahead and go to Settings and go to Reading. We're going to click a static page. From page, select Home, scroll down, select Save Changes. Once we've done that, we're going to change the customizer settings. Again, this requires the Customizer Import Export plugin. We'll go ahead and install that now if you haven't already. Upload plugin. I've already downloaded it. If I go to my plugin files, I'll find Customizer Export Import. Install now. Activate plugin, update plugin. Apparently I have an older version sitting on my desktop. Now we'll go ahead and scroll down to Appearance and go to Customize. And you'll scroll down to the bottom here. Now we have a new menu option that doesn't come with WordPress, Export, Import. Select that, choose File. We'll go back to our download package and select the Customizer-settings.dat file. in your download package. Go ahead and tick the download and import image files button and select import. And we are done. We've imported our customizer settings, our header navigation customizations, general settings customizations, everything I've done in the customizer, which you can go back and modify and change according to your website's needs. Now what we can do is go ahead and remove that plugin. We won't be needing that anymore, and it's best to have as few plugins as possible. So let's go ahead and activate both of these plugins. We'll need neither one anymore. So let's deactivate, and then let's delete. And all the changes we made will stay the same. There we go, cleaned up. So now let's add Caldera Forms plugin. So go ahead and select Add New. The link again is on the instruction manual. Hopefully you downloaded it already, as I have. Otherwise you can download it right now before you do this. So you go to I go to my plugins folder where I keep them, and there it is right there. So you find wherever it is you've downloaded the plugin to. Activate plugin. There it is, up to date and everything. And you'll notice over here on the left we have a new menu item, Caldera Forms. So let's go on over to the forms, which there shall be none. Go ahead and select on import. Let's give your form a name, contact, and go ahead and select choose file, and in our download package you have a custom Caldera contact form. Go ahead and double click on that guy, select import form, give that just a second, and there it is, a custom form already built for you. You can change it, add new fields, add new modules. It's very user friendly. You just drag this thing into different places wherever you want it, and it will allow you to choose from a number of options. You can also do a number of customizations, but there it is for you. So now we have this set up. You have a custom Caldera form. Let's get it onto your contact pages. Let's go ahead and select pages, go down to contact, and then you're going to scroll down to this module which I've labeled contact form, and in that is simply an old ID from the original layout that I have on my home page. So you're going to go ahead and replace that. So go ahead and select that one, delete it, and add the one you've just created, and hit save and exit. And now you have a custom contact form. So next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to set up our custom menus. So let's scroll on, go on over to Appearance, go to Menus, and what we're going to have to do is take this primary menu that we've created for you and make it the primary menu. Make WordPress see it as the primary menu. And then you're going to do the same thing over here for the secondary menu I've created. Select the secondary menu, and let's have it located in the secondary menu location. Save menu, there we go, now it's in the secondary menu. Now you'll notice if we go to the website and hit reload that the Font Awesome icons aren't there. Well, that's because in the import, the WordPress importer removes the Font Awesome links. And so I wanted to make it easy for you to add them back in there. So go ahead and open up each of these as so. And then what we're going to do now is go back to the README instructions, and if we scroll down to the section that talks about the menu customizations, set up custom menu on page 9, you'll see I've included the links with the Font Awesome icon code. So we just go in here and copy and paste each one, and now we do the phone number, and you're just changing the navigation label. Basically all you're doing is adding that little short code there in front of the name of the menu item that you plan on using. Once you do this, you can actually even replace, not even include the menu name if you don't want to just have icons. You can also add new menu icons, new menu items with no name. They could be social media icons, and that's very easy to do. So go ahead and select Save Menu. Okay, so now we got that set up. Now on my, let's see, let's go here, take a look. Very nice, there they are. Hey, let's just say you want to add a little house next to the home button. I went ahead and added that icon for you so you don't have to go looking for it. So go back to your primary menu, open up the home navigation item, and if you'll see right here, I have the link on the instructions for the little house. You just replace the navigation menu item, hit Save Menu, and voila, you even have a cute little house in front of your home link. Alright, easy enough. Keep in mind, you can go to fontawesome.com and select different icons if you so choose. It's very easy to do. They have plenty of great icons for you to choose from, so I included their link right here. Okay, so now there's some additional changes you can make to tidy up the site. So go down here to Divi Theme Options and go ahead and upload a logo. If you've already uploaded it, you can find it in your media library and just select it, set as logo. You may also make some changes here. I like to add a couple of neat functions by enabling the back to top button and smooth scrolling. So go ahead and hit save. And now, one last tip is if you want to change the footer here and put your company name here, I've made it pretty easy for you to do that, fairly easy. So if you go here to Appearance, Editor, and over here on the right you'll find Theme Footer. Go ahead and select that. I know, don't get intimidated. There's some code there, but don't worry. Scroll on down over here, and all you have to touch is this little line of code, your company name. So let's just say I want to change that to my name, Geno Quiroz, and you can remove the rest of this if you want. Just remove up to there, leave that P, or if you want to leave it, that's fine too. Click Update File, and if you go back over here, you'll see it'll now be changed to include your name right there. Okay, that's it. Don't forget, if you have any questions or are stuck with something, we're always available to help you out. Just contact us on through our contact form at montereypremier.com. Also, if you're looking for additional tips, tricks, and tutorials, keep an eye out and subscribe to our newsletter over at quiroz.co/blog, where we try to post all our Divi tips, tricks, and tutorials that we come across in our day-to-day business. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it's made it easier for you to navigate or help make a decision whether this is the right child theme for you. We hope you enjoy it, and please let us know how you used it. Send us a link, and we'd love to feature any work you do with this child theme on our Customer Spotlight. Thanks again for checking out McMinnville, and thank you very much for your support. Take care.